Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the simplest and most popular beginner electronics project, the Blink LED using Node MCU. This is the first project every IoT or electronics developer should learn. Let's get started. For this project, you only need a Node MCU, a USB cable, and the Arduino IDE installed on your computer. That's it. First, plug your board into your computer using the USB cable. Open your Arduino IDE and paste this code. Source code link available in video description. Add ESP8266 board URL in Arduino IDE. Go to Settings. Find the field Additional Boards Manager URLs. Paste this URL. Now go to Tools, Board, select your board, Node MCU 1.0. Again, go to Tools, Port, and select the COM port connected to your device. Click the Upload button. Wait a few seconds. And once it's done, your LED should start blinking. Congratulations! You just created your first microcontroller project. Part 2. How to add external LED. To add an external LED, you need just two components. One LED and breadboard. Connect an LED to a microcontroller using a breadboard. LED have two leg. Big leg connect to D5 and small leg connect to G. G for ground. Copy-paste this code from GitHub link. Click the Upload button. Wait a few seconds, and once it's done, your LED should start blinking. Congratulations! This is how the Blink LED project looks when running. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what project you want next. Wi-Fi control, sensors, IoT app, or anything else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.